Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you make your cover photo on Facebook private? Well, if you want to know, just come along with me in this tutorial. Let's just go ahead and open Facebook. Again, you can do this on PC, or it doesn't matter for you to open this. Just go ahead to your actual profile where you're going to be clicking on your cover photo here. Okay, you see the three dots on the side, just go ahead and click on edit. So once you go ahead and edit privacy, you could choose whether to make it only me or with friends as well. So if you want to make it private, just click on only me, and that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.